Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well and having a great day so far. We are going to go ahead and get started. Feel free to go back and watch this video as we are doing our assignment, okay? All right, so your checklist today is you're going to do your math slides and then do 15 minutes of I Ready Math. Then you're going to do your grammar slides and do 15 minutes of I Ready Reading. You're going to listen to a read aloud and you're going to answer the questions for it. And then you're going to listen to the Mystery Science video. You don't have to do anything with that, just listen. And then I would like you to get on Google Classroom and practice your sight words for 10 minutes. I know each of you will know how to get on Google Classroom, so you shouldn't have any questions about that because we've been doing it in class. And then the last thing, this is completely your choice. If you are completely done with everything for the day and you would like to do more, you can get on ABC or Bookflix, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to go through the slides together so you guys are completely clear on what you need to do today. All right, I'm going to go down to the first slide, okay? So we have been working on, in class, we've been working on adding numbers together, okay? These slides are just like the slides that you did on Friday. It's just a continuation of them, okay? So you should feel pretty good about these. All right. So the first one, you're going to count the gumballs on each side, and you're going to put the number. You're going to count the gumballs on this side and you're going to put the number. Then you're going to move the gumballs into here and make sure that it says 10 right there. You're going to do this for the next couple of slides. So this one, pay attention because there's only gumballs on one side. So what do you think maybe needs to go in this box over here if there's no gumballs? Going to do that for this one. Couple more. Okay, so that is it for your math. Remember, you're counting the gumballs, you're putting the numbers underneath of them, and then you're moving the gumballs into the gumball container. Okay. All right, this one right here, you're going to press play right here and you're going to watch this read aloud, okay? So it says that 'twas the night before Thanksgiving. Okay, so if you don't know by now, Thanksgiving is coming up and our Thanksgivings might look a little bit different this year, but we're still celebrating and however we are celebrating as a family is fine, okay? So it says 'twas the night before Thanksgiving, so you're going to click on play right here and you're going to watch this video. After you're done watching, you're then going to fill out these questions, okay? So we have been working on this in class. So this part should be a review for us. So it wants us to type in the characters. So who are the characters in the story? You're just going to click on this box and you'll be able to type in the characters. You're going to type in the setting. Remember, setting is where the story takes place. And then down here, you're going to type in the problem. There's always a problem in the story. And remember, it's usually in the middle of the story. That's where the problem happens, right? The middle of the story. So you want to type in the problem, what they need to solve in the story. So remember, your problem is something that happens in the story that changes the story, okay? And then over here in this box, you're going to type the solution. So that is, there was a problem, and this is how they fixed the problem. And you'll type in the solution right here. Now, I know we haven't worked on typing much. I'm not asking it to be a full sentence. If you can, just try to type some words for me. And just like we do in Writer's Workshop, go ahead and tap out those words and write them the best you can, okay? Your next slide for this is talking about summarizing. So we've talked about this a little bit, but this is newer to us, okay? So kind of like what we talked about in Writer's Workshop, we talked about the 5 W's. We talk about those W's a little bit when we do this, okay? So it says, who is the main character? So you're going to type in right here the main character, the person that is really in the story. So there should only be one character in this box. And then it says, what did the main character want? What did they want? Go ahead and type that in this box. What was the problem? What was the problem in the story? Type it in here. What did the character do to solve the problem? And then what was the resolution? So this right here should look very similar to this, but it might be a little bit different. But this is kind of your outline to help you a little bit. And then this right here, you're going to type a little bit more in this slide, okay? Please let me know if you have questions about this because this is a little new, all right? but you guys can do it. You're awesome first graders, okay? All right, so the next part is talking about singular and plural nouns. Again, we have talked about this in class, so you guys should be super awesome with this, okay? So a singular noun is just that, it's singular. So if I have one pen, it's just pen. But if I had two pens, I would put an S on the end. It would be pens, P-E-N-S, okay? So if it's singular, it would be pen. And if I had two pens, and of course I don't have one at my desk, but if I had two pens, then it would be a plural noun, okay? So you don't have to do anything on this particular slide, so let's move down to the next one. Okay, it says read the sentence, then click and drag the correct word from the box below to the sentence, okay? She saw two fox or foxes, and slide it into the box. He has a cow or cows. They hear a duck or ducks. Again, you're moving this and putting it into the box. Our farm has 4 pig or pigs. It is a frog or frogs. There are 3 goat or goats. Slide it into the box. All right, moving on. This is your mystery science video. All you have to do is watch the video and you're going to learn all about turkeys today. So you'll click this link and it'll take you right to your mystery science video. And it should work just fine, okay? And then it will, if it doesn't start playing automatically, you'll have to press play right here. And it says, why do people eat turkey on Thanksgiving? Okay? Maybe some of us don't like turkey, okay? All right, guys, that is it for your day 1, okay? Again, if you get all of that done, I still would like you to get on iReady Math and iReady Reading for a little bit. And then if you would like to, you could get on ABC on BookFlix, but also before you do that, I would like you to get on Google Classroom and practice your sight words for 10 minutes. Now, for some of my friends, you guys should know for the most part what color of sight word that you're working on. Some of my friends are working on sight words red, some of them orange, okay? You know which ones you should be working on. However, if you have a question, please have your parents dojo me and I will tell you what color I'd like you to start on. Excuse me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I will see you very soon. Bye.